Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to say at verb to verb in French. So for that in French, there are different ways of saying that. And you can say O, à la, and A, L apostrophe, ou O with the AUX, which is plural form. So how to choose the best one? It will depend on the gender of a noun that is used with two with. That's the first one, AU. That is only for masculine noun. If it is following the masculine noun, you can use that. Masculine noun with starting by consonant, you can use that. And the second one, Allah. Allah can be followed with a feminine noun, a feminine place or feminine starting by a consonant. Okay, now the third one is AL apostrophe. The AL apostrophe can go with a feminine or masculine noun in case that noun start by a vowel. Okay, for example, je vais à l'école. Okay, so another one is AUX. The AUX also means to, in case the place or the person to whom you are speaking are plural. Okay, that you can use AUX. Oh, but now let's see them in a few examples. First one, let's take O. Je vais au marché. Je vais au marché means I'm going to market. So as market, marché here is masculine. So we are going, and it starts by a consonant. We are going to use O, AU. Now the second one. Second one is à la for feminine noun. For example, je vais à la pharmacie. I'm going to pharmacy. So pharmacy is a feminine noun. So we are using the à la. Okay, and the third one with a vowel. Je vais à l'école, as I said. Je vais à l'école. École is a feminine but starting by vowel. So we keep L apostrophe A and L apostrophe. Now the last one, plural form. Let's take for example, je parle aux enfants. I'm speaking to students or I'm speaking to children. I see your children are in plural, so I'm going to use the AUX. Okay? Or for example, je vais aux États-Unis. I'm going to the United States. So it is plural. So that also we need to use AUX. That's all, very simple. And if you want to know more, we have this small quiz that you can solve it in the comments, and we'll get back to you in our next video. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.